Hi everyone, it's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com, and today I'm here to encourage you to begin to use your strengths. Today I'm going to share with you the book that I got back from college when I was pursuing my bachelor's degree, Soaring Inner Strengths. And this book entails 5 characters of your strengths, and it's just going to encourage you how to begin to assess what your strengths are. So I'm just going to read some excerpts out of it. Here you will learn the 5 characteristics of strengths and the critical steps for developing your strengths. The following characteristics are designed to help you meaning you and me, help us to scan our life and anything that we do well. Don't restrict yourself to your current strengths. Strengths can be drawn from your early childhood, college, present day. Now, scan your strengths and be sure to look within. So, you want to take time, take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. It doesn't take that long to do it. Just jot down your strengths. Jot down what you're good at. Stop beating yourself up about things that you're not good at. Eliminate self-doubt, because God has empowered you to do everything that you need to do. He's created you to be more than a conqueror, and He created you to have an abundant life here on earth. So, we will talk to you later. Now, also, if you want to learn how to use a system to help you develop your strengths, use the link below and you'll be able to use the $10 free trial to get started. Okay? Now, remember to inspire to empower someone today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.